if you ever plan to motor south, take that highway that Florida's all about.
You know, one of the questions that we both always get asked is, what is trop rock?
What is trop rock?
And I always refer them to the Wikipedia.
Yeah.
You know, which is it's a blending of calypso, island, you know, a little folk, and it really does have a country feel to it.
Yeah, it's
but,
very much country
yeah,
feel.
and blending it together and then adding that island flavor, that's trop rock music, you know, and like what we do is take a 50, 60, 70 song and we'll trop rock it, is what we call it.
Well, you go through Daytona, Titusville and Cocoa, Melbourne Beach, you're looking so, so pretty, you'll see.
We take the music we grew up with.
It's true.
That people our age enjoy. You know?
What do you mean our age?
Miami, Yankee, Largo, now there's not much further to go. Saving the best, you wind up in Key West. Now if you get hip to this coastal trip, take that Highway 1 scenic trip. Have your fun with Highway 1.
The other question I get all the time is, how did we come up with Highway 1? You know, and I try to tell folks that because we play so many places on Highway 1,
Up and down the coast.
that style of music that's on Highway 1, and we've both played so many different kinds, that kind of blends into what we do with, then we twist it, like you said, with a little bit of an island feel.
So if you want to get your kicks, take Route 66. If you got all day, you drive A1A. And if you like to drive, take old
Jimmy Buffett writes about going to the Keys and Key West and that lifestyle. And folks that live up north, of course, when there's a lot of snow and it's cold, they look toward that island, warm lifestyle.
Florida's all about. Well, you go through Daytona, Titusville and Cocoa, Melbourne Beach is looking oh so pretty, you'll see Barefoot Bay, Sebastian along the way, Miami, Yankee, Largo, now there's not much further to go. Saving the best, you wind up in Key West. Now if you get hip to this coastal trip, have that Highway 1 scenic trip. Have your fun with Highway.
Hi, we're Highway 1. I'm JT.
And I'm T. And we really want to see you at one of our shows. Please come see us.
We'd love to have you come out and let us know what you want to hear and have some fun with us.
Yes, have your fun with Highway